Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to publish your quiz. Once you have built your quiz, you can find publish tab here. So just enable this option, and once you enable, you will have three options like this. So let's understand embed in a web page. So if you want more native option to embed the quiz or form, then you can use this option. This will load our script and the shortcode. If you want to use an iframe, then this is the option for you. And the last one is the direct link. This link can be given to any of your button or menu link, and on the click it will load the quiz like this. So if you want to add quiz inside your page, then use one of these options, and if you want to have a standalone page like this, then this is the way. Also, you can share this link on social media and other platforms to collect more leads. So that's it. If you want any more information, then please reach out to our support. Thanks for watching.